Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing the device so you can access the toggle immediately. First, unlock the iPhone and open Control Center. Swipe down from the top right on Face ID models or swipe up from the bottom on Home button models. Once done, look for the screen rotation lock icon, a padlock with a circular arrow, because that control directly toggles auto rotation. Make sure the screen is not locked to an app, otherwise the gesture won't register, and the lock icon may be hidden. Now you'll perform the core action and verify it works. Tap the rotation lock. When it's active, the icon highlights, indicating portrait-only mode. Next, rotate the iPhone to the landscape position while on the home screen or in an app that supports rotation. The display should switch if unlocked. If rotation still fails, exit the current app and test from home to determine whether the issue is app-specific, because some apps force portrait and won't rotate even with the lock off. Finish by applying common fixes when the toggle doesn't resolve rotation. If the icon won't respond, restart the iPhone and retest. A power cycle clears temporary glitches. Also check display zoom under Settings. Display and brightness. View zoomed mode can lock orientation. Make sure iOS is up to date, and as a last resort, reset all settings after backing up. If things go wrong, key troubleshooting tip: restart first, then test in home screen to rule out app-level rotation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.